The Consus label verification solution allows you to complete a label check in just a few seconds using only a computer and a camera. A manual label check takes approximately 2 minutes to complete, is prone to human error, and over the course of the day or week, fatigue. Our AI-based label verification can complete a label check in 5 seconds, does not suffer from fatigue, meaning that the last check of the day is as accurate as the first. We utilize a touch-friendly interface for PCs, tablets, and mounted terminals. You can create a new order by selecting the product group, the product, template, select a packing date and the number of checks required. On the left, you will see the attributes that will be checked on the label. On the right, you can add any additional data. This additional data is not used in the label check, but is helpful to identify a label check. Once the label check is created, it will appear on all screens in a list of the orders. Selecting the label check will now show you the attributes that will be checked, give you the options to use a connected camera, a file from a dedicated camera or email, and the option to view all historical checks on this order. If you select Check from Camera, the connected camera will be started. Position the label under the camera and select the green Capture button. If the label check passes, you will get green markers next to every item that passed. There is no need to worry about making sure the label is straight. The system will adjust for this automatically. When additional orders are created, the list separates them by group, product, and then by the templates, making it easier to identify an individual check type. If we scan this new label, we can see that it passes just as easily as the first label did. However, if we use our original label, this check will fail, as our original label was for blueberries and this is a strawberry check. If the label check failed, you'll get red markers next to the items that failed and a red marker across the top that states that the label check itself failed. If we try a label that is a partial match, you'll get a mix of pass and fail markers. The overall label check will still fail, but the markers will indicate where the concern areas are. Now that label checks have been completed, we can view the history. Here we see a list of all checks with a passed or failed marker to the left. Here we can see the label failed, what caused it to fail, and we can press the image button to see what the original image was, allowing the team to identify what caused the failure. Setting up a new product is easy. Click the product button from the left. Select a group, a product, and a template. You can create new groups, products, or templates by pressing the new button. In this case, we'll create a new template. Give the template a name and press save. Now that the template has been created, we need to supply attributes to be checked. Our first attribute will be the barcode. Enter the attribute name, select barcode data type, and click from camera. We can take a picture of the label and scan for existing barcodes. This simplifies the process of getting the correct barcode ID, and press save. Our second attribute will be the best before date. Enter the name, select the correct date format from an extensive list of options. If the date requires a suffix, tick the box and select the format. Now enter the number of depot days. This will be used to automatically calculate the best before date. Our next attribute will be weight. This is a text-based attribute, and enter the weight you want to see, in this case 227 grams. Next we'll do the packer code. Again, a text-based attribute. Next we'll do variety. Again, another text-based attribute. Next we do country of origin. We could use a text-based value, however, selecting from the country list ensures the correct spellings. Our next attribute will be class. This product is class 1. Now enter the customer. Now we want to enter the product type. This product is now fully set up. We can go now and create a new order. Go to Auto Checks, press New, select the product group, select the product, select our new template, and there are the attributes we created. We can even create some additional data to inform the team doing the check that they may need to pay special attention to this label, as it is a new layout. We can select our new order, do our check from camera, position our new label, and verify that we set it up correctly. There we go, label has passed the test. We can verify that it is all working by using an incorrect label and checking for failures. As you can see, the label passes the test again. The history shows the pass and failure tests. And the image lets us see the detail. The images stored are rotated to make sure the label text is always straight. This makes reviewing the pictures later easier. Thank you for taking the time to look at the Consus label verification solution. If you would like more information, please feel free to contact us.